Okay, so after all that fun, we all have to hit reality, which is that the end of March is approaching, and that means before we know it, taxes will be here. But we can celebrate because we all want more extra cash in our pockets, right? And that's all because of the money we made from last year. So we're talking about taxes. We're getting you the rundown on how to ensure that you're actually taking all the necessary steps needed when it comes to filing your taxes properly. So we have our financial expert. We have Daniel Tahara. You are Mr. Know-It-All when it comes to taxes, and you're going to help ease that burden that a lot of people feel because, well, April 18th is quickly approaching, and for those who haven't done anything yet, give some quick tips.
No problem. The best tip, if you haven't filed yet, is to e-file. It's fast, easy, in most cases it's free. The software products walk you through a simple step-by-step process to complete your return, and actually most users can complete their return in about 20 minutes using FTB's free CalFile program.
Oh, wow. Okay, so 20 minutes.
That's all you need, 20 minutes.
All right, and if you have some pretty complicated taxes, right now is the time to sit down, probably really get organized, right? Wade through everything and kind of get it all in order so that way you can do that quickly.
Exactly. Or if you need to hand over those documents to your preparer, everything will be organized and they won't have to spend as much time trying to get everything situated and get your return filed.
Okay, and what if someone is already kind of down that path of realizing that they owe for taxes this year, but they don't have the funds needed in order to pay in time by April 18th? What are their options?
Yeah, you know, we understand that unexpected events can make it hard to pay our taxes on time. So if you owe and can't pay, make sure and get in contact with us for assistance immediately. It is a good idea to pay what you can by April 18th because that'll help limit interest and penalties. But we can offer assistance if you're in a financial hardship by establishing payment plans and sometimes even delaying collection actions.
Okay, great. So there are some options.
Exactly.
So don't have a heart attack. Just make sure that you're prepared and that you're taking the steps needed to get that taken care of for yourself. This is also that time of year, though, too, that there's a lot of scams. So how do we avoid being scammed?
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but the best way to protect yourself is to be aware of some of the warning signs and red flags. So be on high alert anytime you're asked to provide financial information, passwords for bank accounts or credit cards. Two of the dead giveaways that it's a scam are if you're being threatened with arrest or license suspension if you don't pay your taxes, or if they're asking you to pay your tax debt with a prepaid debit card or with a gift card, because those are not acceptable forms of payment. Now, if you work for a business and you're in their HR office, be cautious because there is a scam going around where people will pose as a corporate executive, send an email asking for employee data and W-2 information.
Really?
So be on high alert for that as well.
No kidding. So they're attacking actual businesses, too.
Yeah, exactly. They're being very creative and getting sophisticated.
Absolutely. We've actually had some calls here at the station to some of our employees at their desks being threatened that they're going to get arrested if they don't pay certain taxes. And I mean, it sounds very real. And though it sounds pretty, you know, bizarre right now that you wouldn't fall for it, they are very sneaky and very good at what they do. So really good to know these tips and to keep that in mind. Exactly. Where can people go for more information and also to potentially report a scam?
Yeah, our website, ftb.ca.gov, has information on the various scams that are out there. You can also report scams. There's a link available on that website. If you want to call and check on your account, you can reach us at 800-852-5711. It's obviously our busiest time of the year right now through April 18th. So if you have just a general question, take advantage of our live chat feature online. But if you absolutely need to give us a call, take advantage of the callback feature where you leave your phone number, you won't lose your place in line, and we'll call you back.
Wonderful. And then you can go ahead and bake cookies in the kitchen while you're waiting to hear back.
Or eat some donuts.
Or eat some donuts.